Good morning, Year 4. How are you? Welcome to French This Week. This week in French, you're going to be learning how to give an opinion about French food. You're going to be learning how to say that you like something, that you love something, that you don't like something, and also that you hate something. Now, before we do this, you have some retrieval practice. So, you have 3 questions here. You have these questions in your resource pack as part of your retrieval pack practice for today. Can you please find that now and answer underneath those questions, please? So pause the video, answer underneath the questions. Off you go. Okay, so question number 1, how are French nouns different to English nouns? Do you remember? That's right, nouns in French have a gender. So what are the 2 names of these groups of nouns in French? Yes, so they are either masculine or feminine. They are either male nouns or female nouns. So how can we tell, thinking about our lesson from before half term, about the different foods and the way that the has a different meaning for masculine or feminine? Can you remember the different French words for the? That's right. So if it's a le, it's masculine, or la is feminine, and les is plural. So if it's this word is before the noun, it can help us work out whether it's a masculine noun or a feminine noun, and you learned that last week. Now, I would like you to look on your knowledge organiser. This is at the bottom of your resource pack. Can you have a look at the foods that we've already learnt about and the pancake day section of your knowledge organiser? Are each of the nouns masculine? Are they le? Feminine? Are they la? Or plural? Are they les? Can you pause the video and just have a look now for me, please? Did you find out? Fantastic. So today we are going to be looking and learning at how we give an opinion for different French foods. Now, I'm going to teach you and you're going to repeat after me. Are you ready? We're going to play it out loud. Make sure my volume's all the way up for you. Ready?
J'aime.
Okay, so this word, j'aime. 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 J'aime, j'aime. Well done. What do you think this word means? Bearing in mind there is a love heart. It's not crossed out, but there's just one love heart. What do you think that means? That's right. J'aime means I like. So, j'aime, I like. Lovely. This one here, let's have a listen.
J'adore.
J'adore. J'adore. J'adore. Well done. You've got this j at the start, and this is why we've got our grapheme for that, because that is our picture that represents that j sound. Remember our j? So, j'adore. What do you think j'adore means? It's got 2 love hearts. None of them are crossed out. What do you think that means? That means I love. Have you ever heard someone say, I adore that? Miss Newman adores chocolate. Yes, adore means love. So j'adore means I love. Now, let's have a look at these ones because these ones are crossed out.
Je n'aime pas.
Je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas. What does that mean? Because this time there's 1 heart, but it's crossed through. What does that mean? That's right, it means I don't like, okay? And finally, last one is...
Je déteste.
Oh, je déteste. Je déteste. Je déteste. Super. What does je déteste mean then? Je déteste means I hate, okay? So we're going to quiz you on these now. Right, the first one then. Can you remember how to pronounce this? Say the pronunciation. 1, 2, 3. J'aime. Well done. Which one is j'aime? Is it this one or is it this one? Point left or right. Ready? Well done. It is This one here, the love heart means j'aime. Do you remember what two love hearts crossed out means? It means je déteste. Well done, you're so good at this.
J'aime.
Let's look at the next one then. This one is
Je n'aime pas.
je n'aime pas. Which one is that one? Je n'aime pas. Is it this one? I think it's that one. No, I can see lots of you saying no, Miss Newman. It's the one on the right. Well done. This one is je n'aime pas. What does je n'aime pas mean? It means I don't like. Fantastic. Next one.
J'adore.
J'adore. J'adore. Which one is j'adore? Is it this one? It is, isn't it? No, Miss Newman does not know her French. Absolutely, j'adore is this one here. The two love hearts. What does j'adore mean? It means I love. Well done. And what does this one mean then? It's got the one love heart, but only the one is crossed out. That's right, it means je n'aime pas. I don't like. Finally then, je déteste.
Je déteste.
Je déteste. What does that mean? What does it mean, first of all? It means I hate, doesn't it? And which one is I hate? This one? No, this one here. What is this one then? That one's I don't like, isn't it? And what is I don't like in French? Je n'aime pas. Well done. Now, I've got the sentence here. Tu aimes la glace? What do you think that means? Well, tu aimes la glace, if we remember, la glace is ice cream. So tu aimes la glace means, do you like ice cream? Now, I am going to ask you a series of questions, whether it's tu aimes la pizza, tu aimes le pain. When I ask you the question, I want you to talk to me through the computer or through your iPad or whatever you're on right now and tell me whether or not you like it. If you do like it, what are you going to say? Well, so you're going to say, j'aime la pizza. If you don't like it, what are you going to say? Je n'aime pas la pizza. If you hate it, what are you going to say? Je déteste la pizza. And if you love it, what are you going to say? J'adore la pizza. Well done. Are you ready? Tu aimes le poulet? That was do you like chicken? You might have said j'adore le poulet. Next one. Tu aimes les fruits? Je déteste les fruits, maybe? Oh no. J'adore les fruits. I adore. Next one. Tu aimes les fruits? Fruit. Maybe you liked it. Maybe you loved it. Maybe you didn't like it. Tu aimes le fromage? Well done. And if you want to pause the video now, you can have a go at playing this game, maybe with your brother or sister or someone else at home. Okay, we're going to move on now. Now, your main activity today, I am going to play you some sentences. Your job is to listen to the sentences. I will play them 3 times. You need to work out whether it's saying love, like, dislike or hate. You will write the English in here. You don't need to write the French. Then you write the type of food that it's talking about. And then you have to give why. It's either going to be delicious or horrible. So find that in your resource pack now. I'm going to give you time. Pause the video if you need to go to your resource pack and find it. And then I will start playing the videos, okay? Off you go. Okay, so number 1, you ready?
1. J'adore le chocolat. C'est délicieux.
So is it a love, a like, a dislike, a hate? What type of food is it and why? Have another go.
1. J'adore le chocolat. C'est délicieux.
Okay, and one more go and then I'll let you pause it and write your answers down. Last time now.
1. J'adore le chocolat. C'est délicieux.
Okay, pause the video and write your answers down. Number 2, ready?
Je déteste le poisson. C'est horrible.
Again.
Je déteste le poisson. C'est horrible.
Final time.
Je déteste le poisson. C'est horrible.
Pause the video, write your answers down. Okay, number 3.
J'aime la pizza. C'est délicieux.
And again.
J'aime la pizza. C'est délicieux.
Final time now. If I can find my cursor.
J'aime la pizza. C'est délicieux.
Pause the video, write your answers down, please. Number 4.
Je n'aime pas le fromage. C'est horrible.
Second time.
Je n'aime pas le fromage. C'est horrible.
And final time.
Je n'aime pas le fromage. C'est horrible.
Pause the video, write your answers down, please. Final time, final one, number 5.
J'aime le poulet. C'est délicieux.
Again.
J'aime le poulet. C'est délicieux.
Final time.
J'aime le poulet. C'est délicieux.
Okay, pause the video, make sure your whole table is complete, please. Off you go. Okay, let's have a look at the answers. So the answers are on the screen now. Pause the video, tick them or correct them, please. Off you go. Okay, hopefully you did well on that. Your final task then is to construct your own simple sentences using either j'aime, I like, j'adore, I love, je n'aime pas, I don't like, je déteste, I hate. Then you're going to choose a food in French from your knowledge organizer. I have chosen la pizza. You might have done le poulet. And then you've got to stop your sentence with a full stop and then say either c'est délicieux or c'est horrible. Either it's delicious or it's horrible. You can see my example here is j'aime la pizza, c'est délicieux. So that is your final task today. You can see my example here. You need to construct 4 examples. You can either pause the video and do that now, or you can do the plenary together and then do it yourself. Okay, the plenary then, how do we say these words in French? When I point to one with my cursor, you're going to say it in French and then you're going to say it in English. Are you ready? Then we're going to check it. This one here. Did you get it right?
J'aime.
J'aime meaning I like. Well done. What about this one here? What's this one? Say the French, then say the English. Off you go. Well done. If you got that right, it is
Je déteste.
Je déteste meaning I hate. What about this one here? French, then English. Well done. It is
J'adore.
J'adore. I love. And finally, what's this one here in French and English, please? Super job. It is
Je n'aime pas.
Je n'aime pas. It is I do not like. Fantastic learning today then, Year 4. You are free to have a go at your independent activity. Have a lovely rest of your day. Goodbye.